incarcerated right now. And my nephew called me and told me that you put kids in chicken wings. So put your hands behind the head and wrap your arms behind their head. Yes, sir. I'm incarcerated at Tiffin Correctional Facility. Where now? Up here in Tiffin. I don't work in Tiffin. I know you don't work in Tiffin, sir. My nephew, he goes around our place. What's his name? Sir? What's your nephew's name? Jacoby. Jacoby, what grade is he? I can't tell you that. I'm not sure for sure what grade he in, because I think he stayed back a little dumb something. But he called me and told me you putting kids in the chicken wing. I'm just calling to see what that's going on about. Lied to you. All right then. Your name Tyrone Jenkins? Tyrone Jenkins. I don't even know your name. All right then. Okay.
Hello? Hello? Hey, what P hung up for? P. Hold on, dog.
Yeah.
Hey, dog, who that was, cuz? Hey, y'all, hold up, cuz, hold up. We need, what's the other number, dog? We need another number.
Oh, shit, buddy. That shit was too funny, buddy. Hey, I started to go ham about that shit. I was like,
Hey, I had to put my shit, I had to put the shit on mute, cuz.
But that shit was funny.
Hey, what the number is, dog? You gonna call her the house again? What the number is, cuz?
732-3037.
Hold on, cuz. Hey, y'all nigga put y'all phones on mute. I mean, you gotta have shit on mute, cuz he might laugh, cuz. Hold on. No.
How can I help you? Hello? Hello? Can I help you? May I speak to the head waitress or whoever is on charge tonight? Who would you like to speak to? Whoever's in charge, ma'am. Whoever's in charge. What's your name? Ma'am, my name is Jim Walters. I work with the Garden County Health Inspectors. And this is the second night in where it's actually not second. This is like third night in about 2 weeks. I've been getting calls about your establishment down there in Georgia. I talked to a lady a couple of weeks ago. And a couple of days ago about this situation. And I'm coming down there to shut that fucker down. Because I'm tired of people calling me late at night telling me that your establishment, your restrooms are dirty, they say you're cooking on a dirty stove, you're fucking up people's orders, ma'am. So I need to know what's going on because I was glad to come down there. If that is what it takes for people to stop calling my phone about your establishment, I'll come down there and shut that fucker down. So where are you from? You just hear me. I'm from Garden County. Hello? Hello? Bitch.
Hello? I don't know what to do.
Hell
Hello?
no.
Yeah. But she had got mad too, boy. What's another one?
Who are you? Where are you calling from?
What's
Man, shit, who's money?
what's another one, dog?
I don't want to dog. I don't want to dog. I ain't got that no. You ain't got the palm book? Man, I ain't looking. She looking at that on that big funny. I can't call him. Call him. Yeah, call him there.
What movies?
You know how baby?
Nigga, at 12 o'clock.
Man, they gonna tell you a list of movies before they let you talk to somebody. Well, we want to talk to somebody 'cause I got a good for that.
Hey, man, what Waffle House number in Albany?
Hold up. 438 1894.
Hold on.
They got a good for that too. They gonna be like, "Hey, come on, this nigga." Where are you from?
Hello?